As part of June 2022 release of Visual Studio Code, a new way to use Emmet abbreviations is introduced. This feature has to be enabled in the settings. Go to File, then Preferences, then Settings, then type Emmet space inline in the search. Check the Use Inline Completion box. Now in a new HTML file, I am typing exclamation. We can see the HTML boilerplate code appearing as inline gray text. Now pressing tab character in the keyboard will include the HTML boilerplate code. Similarly, for any Emmet abbreviation, the inline grayed out text get displayed and we can include the generated text by pressing tab. This feature helps us to have a quick preview of the HTML tags that will be generated. If you find this feature useful, then retain the settings. If you want to revert back to the old behavior, uncheck the Use Inline Completion settings.